How to create a new PayPal account. In order to create a new account on PayPal, you first have to open up any web browser on your PC. You could also do it on phone. The process is the same. So on the search bar, go ahead and click on it to search for PayPal. And once you search for PayPal, hit enter and head over to paypal.com. Now, once you land on the official page for PayPal, on the top right corner, you'll find two options, login and sign up. If you already have an account, you can simply click on this login option, and you could also get the app from here. And if you have a business account, you could switch to business and then log in from there. So I'm just going to head over to personal. To create a new account, click on the sign up option. Once you have done that, here you're going to have to select personal or business. I'm just going to be selecting personal. Click on get started. And once you've done that, you're going to have to select a region. And once that is done, click on get started again. Enter your email right here. And once you have entered your email, just go ahead and click on the next option. Now, once you have done that, they've found an existing account, but if you're using a new email address, then you should be able to get a confirmation code on your email. You're just going to have to enter the verification code that you got on your email and your account will be created, and it's as easy as that. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll see you on the next video.